Few people know that there comes a time in a little drone's life when he must decide whether to hit a gap and risk sacrificing himself to the unforgiving rooftop gods, or to bail out and face constant ridicule. So, we observe this drone in his natural habitat. Will he hit the gap and risk sacrifice, or will he bail out? He's done it. He's bailed out. He may come to regret this. Epic shots were missed. His master may regret raising such a wimpy little drone, but the one person who won't regret it for sure is a little drone's wallet.
Not really sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure.
Tuning required.
Feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, 'cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted.
Tuning required.
I'm hearing voices, I'm seeing visions. I'm not sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality.
Tuning required.